If you, I think, it's Steve. In my previous video, I show you how to trigger MS healing by using electrical impulses. It's a start that lays the foundation for new myelin to be made. But it's only half the solution. There needs to be an environment created to grow and proliferate the new cells. You can get back what's been lost. You can leave this disease behind. Stop the inflammation and heal your MS. Start your MS recovery journey by subscribing. The best place for healing is in the stage of REM sleep. But there's no way to control the stages. So your main objective should be to increase the quality of your sleep overall. Start with the basics. I have 3 tips to help guide you in the right direction. First tip is to set a bedtime and wake up time. Before I became consistent with my sleep, my fatigue had me taking naps throughout the day, which destroyed my nighttime sleep. I know it's hard to overcome fatigue. I completely understand the frustration. When it was happening to me, I realized I needed to break it somehow. It took time. I didn't learn the 4 essentials all at once. But once you embrace them as part of your lifestyle, you'll feel fantastic as everything slowly is restored. I focus on weightlifting, UVB light exposure, and the 1 meal a day diet. They amplified my sleep so I was able to make new myelin. Just don't be led astray. In the end, all the tips and tricks out there are just band-aids. New myelin is the key. With it comes great sleep. The second tip is to use supplements. All my life, I've had trouble falling asleep. I wonder if my lifelong struggle was because I was not able to produce enough melatonin on my own. I think that might be one of the causes of MS. As a result, I'm a huge lover of synthetic melatonin. My favorite, above all, is REM Fresh. I'll put a link in the description if you want to try it out. As the name implies, it helps me enter deep sleep, including REM. The third tip is to eat in the morning. Eating 1 meal is crucial to stop the immune system from attacking. I found the best time to eat that meal is in the morning after waking up. Limit your caffeine in the morning as well. It's a huge shift from most of my life. I know, it's weird. Maybe you're just like me. I just couldn't stomach eating that early in the morning. But as they say, practice makes perfect. I guess the morning is the best place for a surge of energy. I found it prevents hunger all day. These 3 tips are huge. They will propel your sleep to allow your brain the space it needs to make new myelin. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and watch my playlist talking all about sleep. With that practice, I found I'm friends all day. It helps me in. Shut up. It's Steve. In my previous video, I showed you how to you can do it.